Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy scrub powder. Take a bowl. Red lentil powder 3 tablespoons. Rice powder 3 tablespoons. Fuller's earth 2 tablespoons. Gram flour 1 tablespoon. Wild turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix well. Transfer in a container to store the powder. Benefit of the product: gentle exfoliation, deep cleansing, natural glow, oil control, tan removal, pore cleansing, make skin soft and smooth, skin brightening. Use this way. Honey 1 teaspoon. To make a mixture, use with rose water or raw milk or aloe vera gel or curd, and then apply on your face and body. Apply on your skin in circular motion. See the difference in between 1 week. Now the scrub powder is ready to use.